So, hello YouTube. So, this is what I have got for my car for cleaning the interiors. The name is Auto Spa Car Interior Quick Cleaner. So, let's just begin it. So, I will also be using this detailing brush. So, let me spray some on this also. As of now, it looks quite good. I will also update on the long term review of this. Now, let me just wipe it with a microfiber. The initial impression is like quite good. I don't know if it's visible or not. Some good amount of dirt is coming off. For some reason this part is feeling quite sticky. I don't know what is resulting in that. But I'll try once again applying this and then I'll wipe off with the microfiber. Looks quite good as of now. So as you can see that this side of the card has been cleaned with that auto spa quick interior cleaner. So the result as of now is like pretty good and I am quite satisfied with the result. As you can see, it's not very shiny but it has cleaned the surface pretty well. So this is the final output. As you people can see, look at the grains, those black parts and all. Focus on the seat covers. The product has done really well in my opinion. For 300 bucks I think this product makes sense. Thank you.